Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're heading straight into the heart of Phoenix, Arizona to unpack a seriously fascinating property opportunity at 1750 West Union Hills Drive. If you're the kind of house hunter who loves to just skip the fluff and get the complete picture, well, you're exactly in the right place. We're going to dive right into the numbers, the aesthetics, and the overall lifestyle this home promises. Let's get to it. Okay, let's anchor our journey right here at the curb. What we're looking at is the exterior of Unit 23. It's a single-family residence built back in 2000. Just check out that classic Southwestern architecture, right? You've got the stucco finish, that gorgeous multi-level tile roof, and a really clean, inviting driveway leading right up to a two-car garage. It gives off this neat, well-maintained first impression, which, let's be honest, is exactly what you want when you're evaluating a potential new home. But, curb appeal is really just the opening chapter of the story. To truly understand the value here, we've got to look at the data.
Section 1. Breaking down the numbers. And boom, here's the absolute most important number to kick things off with, $375,000. I wanted to put this asking price boldly out there right up front because it immediately qualifies the buyer and establishes our budget baseline. According to the listing, this $375,000 figure is thoughtfully priced to sell. In today's market, establishing that baseline early on really helps us contextualize everything else we're about to see. It basically frames the entire value proposition of the property. So is $375,000 a good deal for this specific home? Well, to figure that out, we need to break this big number down into its smaller parts.
These individual metrics really paint the complete financial picture. Let's just methodically walk through them together. For that $375,000 asking price, you're getting a home size of 1,547 square feet, sitting on a 2,860 square foot lot. When you actually do the math on that, it breaks down to a super reasonable $242 per square foot. The layout itself offers 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, which is a highly desirable configuration for sure. But what about the ongoing costs, right? Well, the listing gives us an estimated monthly payment of $2,252. And crucially, you'll see a monthly homeowners association, or HOA fee of $105. When you're evaluating this place, you absolutely have to factor that $105 HOA into your overall monthly budget. It just gives you a really structured, clear picture of both the physical and financial footprint of the property.
Moving on to Section 2. Inside the home.
Stepping right into the kitchen, the source listing actually notes that the layout flows effortlessly from room to room, and you can literally see that open concept working its magic here. Notice the abundant wood cabinetry, giving you plenty of storage space, the sleek stainless steel appliances, including that massive double-door refrigerator, and the generous counter space that wraps right around into a really convenient breakfast bar. It's bright, it's highly functional, and that recessed lighting gives it a very modern, clean vibe. Plus, those sliding glass doors in the background show how natural light just effortlessly floods into the adjacent dining and living areas. And this brilliantly illustrates the emotional core of the property. The listing describes the kitchen not just as a place to cook, but as, quote, the heart of the home, ideal for shared meals, celebrations, and quiet moments. I absolutely love how this quote reframes the space. It totally moves us past just looking at cold square footage or stainless steel appliances and really helps us visualize the actual life that happens within those walls. Gathering with loved ones, starting your morning quietly at the breakfast bar, or hosting your friends for the evening. Moving into the bathroom, you can see exactly how this builds on the home's bright, clean aesthetic. Just like the kitchen, it feels incredibly spacious and really well lit. You've got this expansive mirror stretching across the wall, reflecting all that light, and a large vanity area providing you with ample room. The listing points out that each generously sized bedroom in this 3-bedroom layout is designed as a relaxing retreat. And you can totally see how that philosophy of relaxation and comfort extends right into the inviting, spa-like atmosphere of the bathrooms too.
All right, Section 3, Key Upgrades and Peace of Mind.
So, the listing proudly notes these major recent updates. The home has been freshly painted, inside and out, features a newer roof, and crucially, a newer AC unit. Let's be totally honest here. In the absolute brutal feat of a Phoenix summer, a reliable AC is literally a lifesaver. Actually, replacing a roof and an HVAC system are usually the 2 biggest, most intimidating expenses for any homeowner. So the fact that these have already been knocked out provides some massive stability and peace of mind. That's a real game changer, particularly for a first-time home buyer or a growing family wanting to move in without stressing over immediate, big-ticket repairs. Which brings us to Section 4, Community and Lifestyle.
This home is nestled right within a secure, gated community known as Deer Valley Estates. The source material emphasizes that this location offers way more than just a place to live. It offers a place to truly belong, and that distinction is super important. A gated community inherently provides a highly valued layer of security, reduced traffic, and just a much quieter environment overall. It really fosters that deep sense of connection and belonging that transforms a regular house into a long-term home.
Now, the lifestyle perks of Deer Valley Estates perfectly complement the property itself. You get access to a community pool and spa, which are phenomenal amenities that encourage neighborly connection and resort-style relaxation just steps away from your front door. Plus, the property features a low-maintenance backyard, so no sacrificing your entire weekend to grueling yard work in the desert heat. It's basically the ultimate recipe for easy Arizona living, perfectly balancing community engagement with personal ease.
So, we've looked at the logical numbers, we've felt the emotional warmth of the layout, we've verified the major upgrades, and we've explored the community lifestyle. The source listing actually ends its pitch with a very clear call to action, urging potential buyers to book a viewing today because it presents such an exceptional opportunity in a really desirable neighborhood. So, I'm going to leave you with this final provocative question pulled straight from the spirit of the listing. Will this property at 1750 West Union Hills Drive be your base to create lasting memories, or will you let it pass you by? Thanks so much for joining me on this structured journey through today's explainer. Keep learning, keep analyzing, and I'll catch you next time.